This tool honestly is going to make your business 10 times more productive. So it basically allows you to share different screen recordings with your team or with anyone really, but there are actually a lot more, some really amazing features, and I would say even almost separate tools that come within this tool that I'll show you just in a second. But first I want to talk about pricing, because this is what really blows my mind. You might be familiar with the tool Loom. This is what most people use to share screen recordings with their teams, and they do have a free plan which allows you 25 videos, but then business plan here is $15, and if you want to use business plus AI, it's $20. This is, by the way, per user. So as you can see, it can add up to quite a bit if you have a big team, but with this tool, as you can see, it's only $6 per user, which is less than half. By the way, I created a blueprint for the best business model out there, so check the description. And actually, you get a lot more features as well than Loom, and I'm going to leave some special discounts and bonuses on top of that, so check out all of the links in the description. But it's an absolute saver. You save up so much money. You're paying less than half, and this is without the AI features. If you do want the AI features, so if we add this, then it's $12, but that is still $12 instead of paying $20 a month, so almost half of that, and you're getting AI, and I'll show you some really cool stuff that you can do with that. And by the way, I do want to mention that they do have a free plan, and the free plan actually allows unlimited number of videos, unlimited video length, so it's also way better. As you can see on Loom, you can do 25 videos, and those videos honestly can only be 5-minute length, which is also nothing. By the way, I have created a document of 50 best growth hacks used by the biggest marketers out there. Check the link below. So this already provides way better free plan, and actually you also even get some additional features on the free plan that you can't even try on Loom. So now let me show you how this works and why I absolutely love this. So first of all, you do a screen recording, you have Chrome extension, or you can install their app, and as you can see here, basically you'll have all of your screen recording stored here, so you can easily share it with your team. So I absolutely love to record basically instructions, what I want to get done, record feedback, all of those kind of things, tutorials, SOPs, all of those things. Instead of needing to write things down, recording is the only way that I do things. It's 10 times faster, it's way easier to just communicate with everyone. But aside from that, because this is what Loom does, Loom just allows you to record, and by the way, you can add everything in folders and so on. If you want to add to folders, this is all on free account, what I'm showcasing you, so you can see what restrictions you get. But basically, if you upgrade, then you're going to be able to nicely organize all of your recordings. But this is another really cool thing. So once you have finished recording here, I did a little small quick recording. As you can see, basically what it does is it creates this guide step by step, so it actually, the AI automatically detects what is being talked about. And here I just clicked a bunch of times, so as you can see here, it kind of just showcases, okay, I've clicked here, and as you can see, I can actually even move this around because it basically zoomed in when I clicked, and it put in some of the text. If I want, I can actually adjust this text here as well. And here again, I just did example of whatever, but it can actually track pretty well what is being said and when exactly it's creating the new step. And if you want, by the way, you can delete the different steps, you can actually link to different pages. So basically this just creates sort of this like a step-by-step tutorial, and I can edit all of it here, as you can see. On top of that, what it does as well is, as you can see here, we have the different chapters, so I can jump in basically into different chapters. I can also edit these if I want to, but that is super useful. And then also I can go to assistant here just to showcase you how this looks like. So the assistant, as you can see, created sort of an overview, some of the key features that where I was talking here about, like the pricing, whatever, recommendations. But here, as you can see, I also have a chat. So this is the AI feature. You will need an AI plan for this, but I can actually chat within this video recording as well. Also, I can do highlights. So as you can see, this is just giving me the highlights. I can also change these up as well. If I'm creating these, let's say I'm going to share these with my team, I can basically change that all all that stuff. And we have the transcript here also. I'll go into the AI features in just a second, but I just wanted to show you this is also, you get a video editor. So let's say if you made a mistake or something while recording, can cut those things out. So I can basically, okay, I can select a range and I can basically, okay, if I want to delete this, I can just delete this. I can go back. If I want, I can automatically remove all of the pauses actually. And as you can see, all of this is done with a transcript as well. So I can actually just look up the transcript and I can edit all the video with the transcript. So actually the video editor is really advanced video editor. And now, by the way, just to show you, this is what it looks like when you create a guide. So this is something that Loom, for example, doesn't even have. This you would get additional tool and pay additional fee, which would be even more expensive just for this. But as you can see here, and there are a few ways you can do this, but here we created this tutorial, or well, it did automatically from the video. It created this tutorial and it's really engaging because here, as you can see, I have the text and I have okay, press on the next. It's one of these, I absolutely love these tutorials actually on when I go on the websites. It's such a great user experience to go step by step through all of these different things. As you can see here, absolutely amazing. As you can see, you cannot just use this for what I said, like instructional videos with your team, but you can use this also for your marketing needs. I have so many different ideas where this can be used. I absolutely love this. And by the way, we can do a list view as well. So if you want, as you can see now, we have step by step going through all of the different steps, and as you can see, link page, so you can link to different things here as well within all of the different steps. Another absolutely mind-blowing thing is that you have Komodo AI Assistant. So basically here, let's say I'm going to sync Google Calendar to record my calls, and basically this is going to make the meeting summaries, and it can even do like weekly recaps, all of those type of things. But basically, after it records the video call, I can get meeting insights. So basically, it can summarize, okay, what were the specific things that happened in the meeting, all of that kind of stuff. And then I can prompt AI to do work. So basically, I have this AI assistant, and basically this AI assistant, so it has all of the information, what was happening, the summary, all of that kind of stuff. It can create action items, as you can see. And really, I can basically just chat with this AI assistant and I can create different tasks. I can ask questions. Okay, if I forgot something about the meeting, this is what I said. This is a separate tool that I actually have been recommending to people. It's such a great time saver for your meetings, and it's absolutely mind-blowing that actually this is included, because that tool alone is actually more expensive than what you pay for Komodo Decks. So also I just wanted to show you, you can create different pages. So here, as you can see, we got our video that we recorded, and then here we have our guide that I absolutely love, and we can do different things here. So as you can see, we have all of these different elements, and we can add additional elements from here as well. Social links, images, embed code, even can add different buttons. We can add other videos if we want, AI summaries, and basically, so you can share this if you want. And let's say, okay, here I added a link, so perhaps I can use this for my marketing. I can have some sort of instructional video, and then I can have even like a step-by-step tutorial for people that prefer kind of this, a little bit more engaging. Some people, you know, prefer this over watching a video, because here they can easily jump from one part to other. And then I can have a CTA here, so this can actually convert really well. And just to show you, this is what it looks like when it's actually published. So if you compare this to Loom, as you can see, we have this create guides and SOPs feature, build landing pages from the videos, record scheduled meetings. Actually, I think Loom now is able to do that as well, but we can also get insights as AI assistant, all that kind of stuff. So it's better than Loom actually. And as he said, you are only paying a fraction of the cost for this tool. And by the way, you do need to pay per member, so you can just choose how many members you want, and you can adjust if you want or you don't want AI. As I said, I'm going to leave special discounts and bonuses on top of this super cheap tool already.